Welcome to Happy Life Results Book Group.
Hey everybody.
Right, today we're going to do a section that starts, this approach will seem completely counterintuitive, and it's in guide concept number 2, flying. So we're going to talk about seriousness.
Yes, get serious.
Yes. All right, so we just talked about what it's like if you jump into something like it's all a game, where you see that it's a puzzle to be solved, and you can kind of see that it's possible. And so then it's just a matter of how are you going to get there. The end result's possible for you, but how are you going to get there? And so then how do we do that? We talk about curious play and how everyone will have a different word, and that we challenge you to come up with your own word for curious play or for play to win that resonates with you. And we talked about experiment, to experiment on things.
And then you say counterintuitive. What is the intuitive thing? What is the natural approach to when you're trying to do something new?
Yeah. Okay, so this is different than the traditional view. And so maybe if you've been using the traditional system, what will seem natural is if you're about to learn something that's important, a new skill, then you'll be like, okay, this is important. So you get serious. You get kind of it's focused is what we want, but it's not that you get focused. It's that you get, what is it when you get serious about something?
When you guys, if you are behind on something,
and
you're like, okay, I gotta push myself, right?
Yes.
That feeling of I'm gonna push myself. When you have a outside push, and sometimes like in a short spurt, like cramming for an exam or something like that, you get somewhere. Pushing does get you somewhere. If it's somewhere that you can get to quickly. Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So, but in this case, this kind of a transformation is not somewhere that you can get really quickly with a push. So she's talking about doing it a little different, but it's okay to push a little bit in the beginning.
Yeah, because those are the tools in your toolbox.
Yeah, you use the tools you have to start.
Yeah,
right?
That's what you have, and these new tools won't make sense yet. So if you have to use a little bit of a push, but what we're going to be talking about next is boosts, and these are things that can also get you going in a not so much of a pain point, serious kind of way. So we're going to be giving you tons of tools in the next section, so you can look forward to that. Yeah, I think today's going to be short.
Cool. All right.
Okay, take care, guys.
Thanks, guys.